I will show you how to preserve fresh tomatoes for a long period of time. First, I'll wash the tomatoes. I will clean the tomato from the center and cut it into slices. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I chop tomatoes. I will cut 1 onion. I will chop 4 cloves of garlic. I will chop the parsley. I need clean and wash jars. I put 1 bay leaf in each jar. I'll add a few grains of pepper. I add garlic. I add onions. I add parsley. I'll add tomatoes. Now I add the onion. Parsley. I add tomatoes again. I add onions. And at the end I add passion. I add half a teaspoon of salt to each jar. I add 1 spoonful of 9% vinegar to each jar. Botulism does not develop in an acidic environment. I pour water into the jars. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with clean lids. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth at the bottom of the pan. And I arrange the jars inside. I pour water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. I will cover it, and from the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 35 minutes. We perform pasteurization at a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. After 35 minutes, I remove the pan from the stove. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. Store the jars in a dark place until use. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.